much problem.
Huh?
Little bit much problem. When first corner was like not so easy for going for inside.
Yeah, but I just say that here the wind is now wind. You know, wind is blowing this way.
Yeah, I know.
So it's difficult to enter this corner because you want go off.
You change little bit the front.
No.
No.
But this circuit, when change the wind, change very much the feeling. Where is back?
That's why this is the big problem.
When
When I'm entering little bit, the rear, the middle,
hang on here. When you enter corner,
little bit,
front,
Slightly.
back,
the rear, back,
the back.
yeah.
Okay, so when braking, the back is like this.
Because I change not keep second. If I keep second, when pop, I change start and after back again in second.
For you, the gearing is okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's
Just-
much more better.
So longer.
Yeah. Just it's coming better now. Just four coming better. Just in here, little bit not so easy for RPM. The inside is good. Just open. It's like not so easy to hike RPM.
Because high RPM.
Because, and the gear was more longer to. And here, if I open, sometime, same.
Okay.
Slide.
It could be because there's very much compression in back. You know what I mean? Could be this.
We need one more setting rear, more hard, and after we can put more preload or close click compression for rear. And I need to check in data if when here and here the wheel touching or not.
When you touch brake, front go quick or is
But I don't know. You can check. I not feel so much.
so you don't feel when you touch brake, you don't feel boom to bottom. You feel
Yeah, I think little bit.
a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. In here and here.
First and here, but not so much.
There is no problem. We can close compression one click or two click more.
Better you check. You see the data.
Yeah, but for tomorrow, if we'll see is a little bit when you brake, you are hard braking or more.
I make more close now. The brake.
Brake harder
the light
today.
is more better. Not so much moving. 150.
Stability when you braking is good.
Just this corner.
Just this corner you have problem.
Much.
But
In the middle also.
Yeah. Like it's not straight.
Yeah, I think
But
we should.
here you see the blue line. I take straight.
Yeah, it's okay. Do you think we can look gearing? Maybe we can make even more long again.
For
The gear?
gear.
No, I think
I think no.
it's good.
Because after we are very long and revolution when you go exit some corners is very too low. Because here and here we are already 7,000 is the limit.
Because I know the problem here when you go in third gear is like you want to keep going, and when you go in second is hitting rev limiter now. Yeah.
But I make one time with second gear. But you look if possible with second. I try keep second outside. But you can see.
The brake feeling is better now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just the rear maybe I want little bit more.
Contact with pedal.
Yeah.
We can put not caoutchouc, elastic.
Okay. So the too much back brake. You have.
No.
Too much clearance.
Yeah. In the beginning was easy, more. After middle, in the last, not so easy because their tire was
Moving a lot. Yeah.
You see maybe one time like big slide
Yeah.
in the last corner also.
Was the tire is old and is not the race tire, but did you feel the shock absorber is better
Yeah,
than yesterday?
the suspension, the front and the rear was good. I think perfect.
Okay.
And how about the other guys? They
Sorry?
use the same tire with us? Or
Who? The other guys?
Yeah.
No, for sure, no. I mean, yes and no, because everybody only have same tyres, but for sure, guys put in a new tyre in the end. So it's okay.
Su? Tasco, cosa stai dicendo?
You win.
5 lap, 5 days. What's done?